Welcome to Fab Chemistry, BSc first year, second semester, Chemistry. Important questions for good score. Unit 1 నుండి P block elements లో what are interhalogen compounds and write its classification. Explain the hybridization and structure of interhalogen compounds. Explain the properties and structure of oxyacids of sulfur. Explain the classification of oxides. Write about oxyacids of phosphorus and chlorine. Explain about oxyacids of nitrogen. What are polyhalides and pseudohalides? What are oxyacids of iodine and explain their structures? Write about redox properties of oxyacids of chlorine. Explain the hybridization and structures of XeF2, XeF4 and XeF6. Write about the structure of XeOF2 and XeOF4. Explain the structures of XeO3 and XeOF4. Write briefly about XeF6 and XeF4. Write the abnormal properties of helium-2 or liquid helium. What are clathrate compounds and its properties? Write the preparation and properties of XeF4 and XeF6. Explain the catalytic properties of transition elements. Write the electron configuration of 3D series elements. Explain about TiZrHf triad. Write a short notes on magnetic properties of D block elements. How can U value is calculated using any 4 examples. Explain the color variable oxidation states of transition elements. Write a note on CuAgAu triad. Unit 2 halogen compounds నుండి write a short note on different halogen compounds. Draw the SN1 and SN2 energy diagram. Write the different nucleophilic substitution reactions in allyl halides. Explain SN1 reaction in optical active alkyl halides. What are SN1 and SN2 reactions with suitable mechanism? Explain the reactivity allyl, vinyl, aryl, benzyl halides. Explain SN1 reactions in 2-bromobutane and 1-bromo 1-phenyl propane alcohols నుంచి write the preparation methods of alcohols and phenols. Write about chemical reactions of alcohols. Write the reaction mechanism of Riemann-Tiemann reaction, esterification, Kolbe reaction. Write the chemical reactions of phenol. Explain acidic nature of phenol. Write the following reactions: Scott-Bowman reaction, Gattermann reactions, Hauben-Horst reaction, azo coupling reaction. Write about bromination and nitration of phenol. Ethers నుండి write Williamson's synthesis. Write the reactions of ether with following: concentrated H2SO4 reaction with HI. Write any 2 preparation methods of carbonyl compounds. Discuss the reactivity of carbonyl compounds. Give the reaction mechanism of Cannizzaro reaction. Write about Clemenson's reduction and Wolff-Kishner reduction. Give the reactions of aldehydes and ketones with the following reagents: 2,4-DNP, NH2OH, HCN, phenyl hydrazine. How to detect aldehydes by Tollens and Phalenx. Give the reactions of aldehydes with water and alcohols. Unit 3 electrochemistry నుండి specific conductance, equivalent conductance, molar conductance. Explain the Kohl-Rasch law and its applications. Write the Arrhenius theory and its limitations. Explain about Ostwald's dilution law. Write about Debye-Huckel-Onsager equation. Explain the determination of transport number by Hittorf's method. Write a short notes on conductometric titrations. Explain the types of reversible electrodes, standard hydrogen electrode and calomel electrode. What is EMF and write its applications. Explain about Nernst equation. Write a short notes on potentiometric titrations. Unit 4 theory of qualitative analysis నుండి define the following: co-precipitation, post-precipitation. Write a note on a strong acid, strong base, titration curves, define following. Nucleation precipitate, define indicators, write a note on indicators which are used in different titration. Explain acid base titrations, write a short note on redox titration and redox indicators. Write a short note on complexometric titrations and their indicators. Define optical activity and specific rotation. Write about DL and RS configuration. Define asymmetric and dissymmetric molecule. Give suitable examples. Write about optical isomers of two similar chiral carbon containing molecules. Give the RS configurations of allenes, spire and biphenyl compounds. State and explain Raoult's law. How can you determine the osmotic pressure by Berkeley and Hartley's method? Derive an expression for depression of freezing point. Derive an equation for elevation of boiling point. How to determine molecular weight from elevation of boiling point. How to determine molecular weight from depression of freezing point. ఇంతవరకు సెకండ్ సెమిస్టర్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్, చాలా గుడ్ మార్క్స్ వస్తాయి ఇంతవరకు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే. మీకు ఈ వీడియో నచ్చినట్టయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని ఫాలో అవ్వండి. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.